I will talk more deeply about the hydrogen energy, because hydrogen energy is like the cutting edge technology that is available in the world as well. And why is Sarawak able to capture this technology? Why Sarawak for hydrogen hub? There are 6 energy transition layers, and then hydrogen is one of it. So Sarawak are able to produce a lot of green energy. Hydrogen energy and hydropower is 2 different things. Hydropower is the water that go through the dam, and then you generate a lot of electricity. And then with the electricity energy, then you can produce this green hydrogen energy. Back to our high school, a bit of our chemistry. Water is actually H2O, and hydrogen is actually H. Hydrogen is H, and then oxygen is O. So hydrogen is actually very combustive, and if it's like released to the air, if it mixed up with the oxygen, then it will actually produce combustion energy. It will become back to water. So water make into hydrogen energy, and the hydrogen, when they are using up their energy, coming back to water form again. To be able to extract hydrogen out of the water, actually you need the process is not easy and the technology is very high end, because hydrogen is the smallest element in periodical table, and then it's definitely that's very complex for it to be harnessed into energy. And then most of the hydrogen energy that Sarawak is producing will be exported. And to be able to transport hydrogen, because hydrogen, you are seeing it in gas form, so you need to liquefy all this hydrogen, and you need to liquefy hydrogen into metal cyclohexane production. Just like natural gas is a gas form. They need to be liquefied into LNG, liquefied natural gas. Then only they can export into China or Japan. And for hydrogen, it's the same thing, because it's in gas form. You need to be liquefied first through a liquefied carrier to metal cyclohexane production, and then to be transported to other countries. So most of the hydrogen produced in Sarawak will be exported. It will be a very important hub for this development, and a lot of companies will come around this hydrogen energy, green hydrogen energy. And definitely hydrogen energy they are used more in like transportation, like for example the KOTS, their train called tram. Their tram, they are using hydrogen energy. So you can see that the application is very wide, and yeah, so but most of them will be exported after the production went up. So Sarawak has the capacity to pioneer in hydrogen fuel, given that in Kuching 6 hydrogen fuel refueling pump. So all the refueling pump with auto station and hydrogen car. So it's not so much about using them in Sarawak, but then it's about exporting all this hydrogen energy out. And to come up with the hydrogen energy, you will need power generation, which includes the dam available in hydropower available in Sarawak. So over here, you can see that including the Balai Dam, you are seeing like the total megawatt of the power generation now is 5.6 gigawatt total up. So if like you see Bakun, this is the largest dam now, it's producing 2,400. And total up everything, you are seeing like 4.6 gigawatt. And then by 2030, Sarawak wants to increase their energy up to 8 gigawatt. So 8 gigawatt, you are actually seeing a big jump. And Bakum Dam is actually the largest dam in Southeast Asia. And then we are seeing more dam coming up. And then it's not just hydro energy, solar energy as well. And also they are looking into algae energy as well. So which is a very new thing also. So with the green energy, there's a lot of projects coming in, like hydrogen plant by 2025. They are actually, this green hydrogen, the largest one actually are coming from China because they are aiming to produce more hydrogen plant. But then the numbers that I'm seeing is actually quite near to China. Sarawak alone, the green hydrogen energy that wants to be produced is actually quite compatible with China capacity. So for hydrogen plant, they are building up 1 plant in Kuching and 2 plant in Bintulu. And these are their 2025 and 2027 are their expected date to serve the export market. And with all this hydrogen plant, there's a lot of hydrogen project. And we are seeing a lot of investment coming in, including the Hibiscus project and also the Hornbill project. All the project, most of them, the joint venture are coming in from South Korea and also Japan. So if you see the Hornbill project, so the Hornbill project, you are seeing companies like Japanese company like oil company like INEOS and also trading house Sumitomo Corp. So these are the development of the hydrogen producing plant. And for Hibiscus, we are actually looking into Korea company. So all these are actually, which include Lotte Chemical and also Samsung Engineering. So you can see there's a lot of foreign company investing in this hydrogen project in Sarawak as well. And it's expected to generate additionally 2.4 billion to Sarawak GDP by 2030, which is a big figure. There are more opportunities including solar energy and also hydrogen-based industries, cable sector as well. All these are on the green energy part of Sarawak.